Cute, right?
Mm-hmm.
I still don't know why they can stand all that wind. Like, they're so strong.
Yeah.
Even I can't do that.
So tiny and so strong.
Oh, God. Look at all that hail. You might not be able to see a lot of it, but there's a lot of hail. Like a lot of
The
hail.
birds' legs are so small.
There's even
and so
ice
thin.
swords on the roof of our neighbor's roof.
Good thing we threw some seeds there for the birds to eat.
Yeah, but you hear that wind?
Yep. Now they're hiding in the tree. The tree is helping them with the wind.
Thank God we put the bucket, but they didn't go inside because if I was a bird, I would jump inside that bucket to cover most of the wind at all times before it comes frozen. If I could fly. I can barely see them from the camera because it's so windy. When they're in so much hail in the trees, I can barely see them. One just flew. You could do the same thing at home if you put seeds outside and have a huge bucket. There's 5 of them, I think. Oh, probably a lot more than 5. I hope they go in there's bird houses that we put up. You might not be able to see them very well, but they're there. We put a lot of seeds there so we would take this video. Hopefully. Like it so far? I do. God, that's a lot of it. Hey birds, you might want to go in those those birdhouses we set you guys up for because it's a lot of snow. And don't, whatever you do, do not hop in the snow, the big snow. That'll sink you up to the bones if you're heavy enough. Hope you're